Alright, hey class. Today we're gonna do a little demonstration on how to make 3D models and objects in a design program called Blender. So, with this program, coming up to different projects and such, it might be a good idea to show your design through a model. So, therefore, I think Blender is an awesome program to convey what you have as an idea that you want to make. Okay, so essentially, we start off with a cube, and this cube, you don't have to start off with a cube. Today, we're just gonna delete it, and we're just gonna start off with a cylinder. All right, so here we got our file. So this is a new file. So today we might be looking at how to make a chair leg or a rail for part of a banister for a set of stairs. So you will have to go into add and might just go cylinder. All right. So now we've got a cylinder. Now we've got a cylinder. So let me just add that again. Sorry. Cylinder. Okay. So now with the cylinder, we can adjust it and make it what we want. So I know some of you might have used different design programs before, and that's fine. But sometimes I think this program has its advantages over some others. All right. So we'll just start by grabbing the top center, which you just have to control and use controller and click, and you press E to extrude. All right. So when you extrude, you can bring it out. So say if you want something longer, something shorter, you can do that there. But I'm going to extrude it one more time, but this time I'm going to change the size. So on a lathe, you might want a thinner, or you might want a thicker part to the object. So we'll make it thinner, right? And I feel that maybe it might be nice to throw in like a round piece into that. So I'm going to add a sphere, mesh, add mesh UV sphere. All right, now that's added. I'm just going to, whoops. I'm just going to drag that over there. Okay. Change the size a little bit. And we just want to make it so that it's sort of overlapping. And then it's square. And this is all done with the mouse. So just maybe move it over a little more. Yeah. And then now I want to make it the same as the opposite side. So I want to recreate this but on the opposite side. So I'm going to add another cylinder. So now I've got it here. I'm going to rotate this. And rotation can just be done by clicking the axes. And this is a very nice little program that I've used for quite a while to make models of objects. Okay. Press R to rotate once you've got it in line. And we can easily tell that that is not square. Now it is. So we're just gonna put it up a little bit, and we're gonna deselect it by just right clicking, Control, and whoops, and we're just gonna select that section, and we're gonna use the S tool, the size tool, by pressing S, and I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit, and then I just press G to stretch the object. It's a little wonky. There we go. Take control of the whole object, rotate it till it's square, and move it so it's centered. Okay, so now we got that. We might want to make it a little bit longer. So, obviously that's not the full length of part of a banister. So, I might just grab the top of this object here, using our control button again, and we might want to make it a little bit longer, decrease the size, make it a little bit shorter, increase this, make a little bit longer, about that much, increase the size, make it a little bit symmetrical there, bring it up. And I think that will be done for the top part. And we can go down to the bottom, select the object, extrude it a little bit longer, and this might be a fancy banister, but I feel that it might look nice, marble. There we go. And just to finish it off, I'll finish it off the same thickness as the previous top, which is that wide. There we are. And there we have it. And then you can change it out of edit mode, which it will start in, and you can put weight paint, and you can just see the object as a solid form. I prefer texture paint, and you can just see the hollowness of spheres, but you can also see how the object is in its solid form. And object mode is literally the final form without any coloring or without any textures added to the object. So that's the banister. So that's my project. Now, I don't know if you guys want to go along and use your ideas that you'd be creating and that you've thought upon for your next projects, whether that's to be making a box or whether that's to be making a chair or cabinet. And I want you to demonstrate your ideas in this program. Thanks, guys.